Well, good evening, sweeties, and welcome back. This is my end of May front garden tour. Now, this is just stuff that I've planted in my rock garden, and I've been here for about 5 years. So there is some perennials, and then there's also some annuals. As you can see, there's Supertunias in the front. I love that full show that they give at about middle of June. And I have hydrangeas in pots. I have planted some things that were in pots, and they are happier in the ground, but they were fun in pots for a couple years. I haven't juzzed anything up yet. Things have just been planted, and I have just been fertilizing and weeding, and I haven't really made anything pretty yet. This is just to show you what the garden looks like in the front of my yard, and I live in a townhome community. So this is just to show you what is possible when you live in a townhome. And I also have a yard, so then I have a garden in my yard. This front garden gets about 5 hours of morning sunlight. So everything is actually very happy in this front garden. I have hostas. I have hydrangeas. I have caladiums. I have coleus. I also have a little fern that's, I can't remember the name of the fern right now, but it's a little brown fern. And it's just adorable. So this garden can take on a lot of things that require some sun, but they get morning sun, so they're very happy here. Like I said, I haven't really made this pretty yet. This is just what I'm showing at the end of May. In a couple weeks, it'll be the middle of June. This garden will be rocking, you guys. I have some Sylvia, some lamb's ear, allium. It's so fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Deep end, we're alive, living life underwater. Let's spend all we've got getting buzzed. You pretend you're a god, I believe I'm a soldier. We play hide and seek till you draw. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy.